10 tips to secure a senior's phone against the grandparent scam. The grandparent scam is a heartless psychological attack that weaponizes love and fear, a sense of extreme urgency to steal life savings. It usually begins with a frantic phone call from someone to be a grandchild who is in immediate danger, such as being arrested or hospitalized. Because the call often uses a voice that sounds distressed or distorted, the natural instinct is to help, and this bypasses their logical thinking. These criminals are looking for total panic, where they can seize control of emotions. To prevent this, we need to build a digital fortress around their phone, using 10 specific strategies to stop the scam before the adrenaline even kicks in. Enable silent unknown callers. The first and most effective line of defense is ensuring the scammer's call never even makes the phone ring. On an iPhone, you should navigate to settings, then phone, and toggle the feature called silence unknown callers. For Android, users can go into dialer caller settings and enable the option block numbers from unknown callers. Create a contact whitelist. A phone is only as secure as the address book it relies on, so you must perform a comprehensive contact audit with your loved ones. Sit down together and delete old numbers, duplicated entries, schedule do not disturb for sleep hours. Scammers love calling between midnight and 4 AM because the human brain is most vulnerable at this time, is easily confused when suddenly woken up from a deep sleep. Put your phone on do not disturb at these times so you're unlikely to be called and woken up. Audit social media privacy. Scammers find the names of grandchildren and specifically family details by browsing public Facebook and Instagram profiles. You should verify social media accounts that are set to private or friends list to keep it hidden from the public view. Install a real-time spam filter. Technology can help us identify a threat before it even happens. Install a spam blocking app like Hiya Truecaller, which provides a bright red visual warning on screen when a known fraudster is calling. The family safe word strategy. The human firewall. You can create it and requires a simple conversation. Choose a secret word like BlackBerry. This is never shared online and is only known by immediate family members. And if the caller calls, just ask them what is our secret word. If the caller cannot answer immediately, hang up. The mandatory 10-minute cooling period. High pressure scams rely on speed to keep the victim from thinking clearly. Teach your loved ones the 10-minute rule. If they receive a stressful request for money, they must hang up and wait exactly 10 minutes before taking action. This short break allows the adrenaline to fade, and it gives them time to call a trusted advisor or family member to verify the story. Educate on red flag payment methods. Financial literacy is a key part of phone security. When scammers manage to make it absolutely clear to your loved ones that no legitimate police department, hospital or government agency will ever demand payment for gift cards, cryptocurrency or wire transfers. If the caller mentions these, you should know it's a scam. Utilize location sharing. Set up a permanent location sharing through Find My on Apple or Google Maps on Android. This allows you to check their phone and see exactly where they are in real time. If the scammer claims a grandchild is in jail, but you see them somewhere else in the map, it exposes them instantly. 10. The hang up and call back protocol. Scammers can spoof phone numbers to look like they're calling from a local police station or a known contact. Never trust caller ID. Instead, they should hang up and manually dial the official number or agency or family member themselves. So if you enjoyed this video and it's helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe. And you can check our products down below to get more help about the internet. Other than that, stay safe